Welcome to our tutorial on how to securely register and log into your Bank of America account. In today's fast-paced world, secure online banking is more important than ever. Let's start with an overview of the registration process for a new account. It's simple and straightforward. First, visit the official Bank of America website and locate the Sign Up option. Click on it to begin your registration. Before you start, make sure you have your personal information, identification, and a secure password ready for registration. When creating your password, ensure it is strong. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Don't forget to set up your security questions. Next, verify your email address and phone number. This step is crucial for the security of your account. Once you've registered, navigate back to the login page. You're almost there. For your first login, enter your credentials and follow any steps for two-factor authentication to secure your access. If you encounter any issues during login, don't worry. We'll guide you on how to recover your account and troubleshoot common problems. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to secure your account settings and explore all the great features of online banking.